Welcome back to the channel, racing fans. Today we've got an exclusive first look at McLaren's bold new 2025 Challenger, a car that promises to shake up the grid. If you love F1 innovation as much as we do, stick around because we're diving into every cutting-edge detail. Let's get started. McLaren has always been synonymous with innovation, and their 2025 Challenger, the MCL39, is no exception. Unveiled at Silverstone with a striking geometric camouflage livery, this car is designed to defend their Constructors' Championship title. Right from the front, you'll notice a fresh design language, a completely new air intake and roll hoop that set the tone for what's to come. The mirror mounts have been reimagined. Unlike the previous design on the MCL38, they're now integrated with the top wing above the sidepod inlet. This isn't just a stylistic tweak, it's all about optimizing airflow and enhancing downforce. Moving to the nose, there's an interesting twist. During the Silverstone shakedown, McLaren taped up an air hole in the nose. Now, you might wonder, why cover it up? It appears to be a temporary measure, with the team likely planning to reopen the air hole during preseason testing in Bahrain. This strategic move could be key for managing cooling and aerodynamic performance when it counts the most. Switching angles, let's talk about the side pods. The MCL39 sports a subtly altered side pod shape towards the tail end, a change that may seem minor but is critical for airflow management. Over at the rear, near the cooling cannons, the bodywork is noticeably flatter compared to 2024. This streamlined design aims to reduce drag and improve overall performance, a small tweak that could yield big results on race day. The sound of the Challenger. Listening to the McLaren 2025 Challenger is like hearing the heartbeat of a finely tuned racing beast. Its engine emits a deep, resonant rumble that builds into a thrilling crescendo, blending raw power with high-precision engineering. As the revs climb, you'll hear a symphony of mechanical whines and aggressive roars that echo across the track, a sound that perfectly complements its aerodynamic innovations. This isn't just noise, it's an auditory statement of intent, capturing the spirit of speed and the relentless pursuit of performance that defines McLaren. What this means for 2025. With these aerodynamic refinements and clever design tweaks, McLaren's 25 Challenger is clearly engineered to push the limits of speed and efficiency. Every detail, from the revamped mirror mount to the strategic modifications at the nose and rear, is a testament to McLaren's relentless pursuit of performance. Now, we want to hear from you. Do you think these design changes will give McLaren the competitive edge they need? How do you rate the new design compared to the previous MCL38? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Join our racing family. If you love F1 as much as we do, don't just watch, be part of our journey. Hit that subscribe button and join a community of passionate motorsport fans. We're building something special here, and we'd love for you to be a part of it. If you enjoyed this deep dive into McLaren's 2025 Challenger, smash that like button and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest F1 updates. Your support keeps this channel running, and together we can take our passion for racing to the next level. And hey, if you know someone who's just as excited about the new season as you are, share this video with them. See you on the grid. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video with more exclusive insights from the world of Formula One.